the business operations have been highly disrupted. We, for example, cannot foresee international travel anytime soon. Conferences have become relics of the past, and we all seem to be longing for the in-person meetings that somehow feel like a very distant past. And while it's an opportunity to be reminiscent and nostalgic, it is also an opportunity to be creative. It is opportunity to look at your CLM solution and really think through what are the challenges we're facing and how we can sort them out and improve the process to embrace everyone. I would argue that pandemic is really an opportunity for us to collaborate and communicate more effectively. For example, we have very few face-to-face negotiations and meetings today. Predominantly video, emails, and other remote communications are prevalent. We spend a whole lot more time online with electronic devices, which makes it very critical for your CLM solution to really facilitate interactions that are collaborative and clear in communication. We also have resource challenge. Not all of us face the same resource challenges every day. Not all your employees will have access to a private office where they can give 100% undivided attention to you all the time. Not all employees are able to troubleshoot and otherwise get IT help that they may need. And it is also true that not all employees have access to childcare. So what you want to have is a CLM software that is able to meet your users where they are. Let's talk about infrastructure. Because we take for granted that not all employees will have access to stable internet. The pandemic very much exacerbated the divide among those people who have access to stable internet and those who don't. And so helping your employees to figure out how to use various systems, including CLM, and helping them to get stable internet is a critical, in fact, mission critical thing to do.